Doesn't mean lane, and I'm just thinking. I've been looking at a lot of social media posts and comments and stuff about what the mother of my child has been saying now. So, okokuqala, Kelly, Nonhlanhla, ngifake ibuku ukuthi because I understand what you're trying to do. Ngizama ukuyibhekisisa kahle, ngizama ukuyibuka kahle, ngibona into lezama ukuyenza. But firstly, I'd like to thank you for raising up my boy at a time that I couldn't, when I was locked up. I'd like to thank you for being a great mother, Guye. And I'd like to thank you for being present when I was not there and when I was still trying to get up on my feet. However, I don't like lento le uyenzayo. Don't do that and lie about me and assassinate my character. Bese ngibangele ukuthi unyaka ngaphela ungathi shoot this, shoot that, shoot this, shoot that. Yabo? Stop it. Angithanda things. Don't do it. I shoot this, stop it. Mhlandla. Yekela lento le ukuthi mawubheke uboy uthi ukhumbuza mina. So bigger boy with anger. What do you think my son is thinking when he grows up and starts looking at the videos that you've been making, talking about his father like that and blah blah and blah blah? Angifuna ukukhuluma okuningi and whatnot. Kelly, you and I both know what court is like. And it's just ukuthi yababa, yabanda. It's hard for the bosoms. So I don't want to be putting my boy through that. Going to court, afana no mama no baba going to court. I don't want to do that. You know how many times I've tried to get a hold of you to try and get boy. Number two, you know how many times your sister Ukumete and your mother have been trying to talk about indaba yokuthi boy sigehlangane aze ngibe the freedom yokuthi ngibone boy. Angazi why ulokubambezela boy umfake ebhodleleni ngathi AI umcontroller nje ngathi uChristians usebhodleleni. Ngeke ukwenza ingane yami AI kill. Stop it, man. Stop it. It's not nice, it's not fair. Let boy come back. Ungathi I'm a deadbeat dad. Ahamba yabula.
Yep, that's Jup Lamasuta Mandi from Moja Loves. We know him as an artist. Owaboshwa ke eminyakeni edlule ebosho lokuthi washayisa izingane ezincane ehamba ngemini Cooper yakhe. Sashona ke ingane wasiyaboshwa ke ngalesikhathi eboshwa wayejola no Kelly Khumalo and uKelly Khumalo wayesemithi belengane encane no Jup Christian has grown up. He's like a 15-year-old now, and there is no relationship between him and his father, which is Jup. Now Jup decided to say, you know what, I am tired. Today I'm just going to address Kelly Khumalo. So he says Kelly is a liar njengoba embiza nge-deadbeat father, a father ongazondli ingayondli ingane yakhe, a father who's not available emotionally and whatever, you know. Uthi uJup ingane yakho uyayifuna useyile enkantolo uKelly nendiya lakhe lelo mmeli bamziba akaze bafune ukuthi indaba iqhubeke. Uthi even esasejele has been sending gift for the child and uKelly waboyisela. Uthi even if it wasn't azahamba kahle empilweni yakhe, but yena ngeke ahlulwe ingane yakhe, ngeke ahlulwe amathumbu akhe. So he says yena he wants his child back and uKelly must stop going around on his podcast and speaking because akafuni nengane. Ujup goes as far as Uzandile, his sister Kelly Khumalo, has spoken as among interferisha ukuthi akulethwe ingane, uthi even the husband of Zandile Ugumede has tried, not just only that, even the mother of Kelly Khumalo has tried to speak with Kelly Khumalo, but Kelly Khumalo akafuni ukuzwa mshini, akafuni ngengane yakhe. Kelly unenkinga. Kelly has been vocal obviously on social media at ngokuthi yena akeke athatha isika lakhe kuJubJub ngoba usikhulisele yedwa. Rightfully so, abantu bayavuma bathi siyavuma, but JubJub says I'm available right now. I was not around, I was in jail. There was no way I could raise the child. However, I was sending gift while I was in jail for my child. Selecting ama-South Africans ukuthi which side are we taking? Are we taking the side of Kelly Khumalo sivuma ukuthi ngempela uJubJub kanje, or sithathe iside la JubJub and actually ask or check ukuthi ngempela ngabe uJubJub uyena yini ongafuni? But according to JubJub, as he went out, he says, I want my child. You the one who does not want my child because you have an anger towards me. That's the relationship ended, which I don't understand. How do they end up fighting? Because JubJub, Kelly Khumalo was there. Kelly was always in court. Ehamba no JubJub. Then Mr. Sentence, I think that's when things actually took a turn around.